the elevator ride. Dad, where are we going? To Grandma's house. Let's take the elevator. I will push the button. Where do we get off? On the 7th floor. That smells good. Thank you. Which floor are you going to? The 7th floor. They look pretty. Which floor are you going to? The 7th. He has a lot of balloons. Would you like one? Thank you. There must be a party here. Not on the 5th floor. The party is on the 7th floor. This is the 6th floor. One more to go. Here we are, Grandma's. Guess what? There's a party on this floor. Yes, honey, it's your birthday party.